Hi, my name's David Marcus. I'm the Campus Business Manager at D. Toledo High School, and I'm responsible for the facilities including maintenance, security, and safety. If our campus has an intruder with a gun, seconds count. It's crucial for our school, and for that matter any institution, to call a lockdown as soon as possible to protect not just our students and faculty, but everyone on campus. A major concern is that everyone is safe in a locked location. Our door barricade alert system does this within seconds. This is so easy to implement. It gives students and the faculty and staff peace of mind that the door is solidly barricaded. The door barricade alert system allows you to choose who receives the alerts. The primary notification is via text message on our cell phone. The message that goes out specifies the actual room and door. In addition, any room that is engaged flashes on a map of the school on the phone app as well as on the computer application. And for those rare situations, the alert notifies you that there's either a false alarm or someone's playing with the device. It gives external notification that the barricade is in place and gives the security team a bit more reassurance that everyone is safe. Before we had these barricades, students and teachers were looking for other possibilities. The earlier method was to pile it up against the door. Use desks, furniture, whatever you could find, wherever you could. This was time-consuming and presented an unknown protection. Inserting the device takes about 3 seconds, even if you're shaking and nervous. This is a tool that in my mind is a for sure. For the money, the quality, and the ease of installation and use, the job that this barricade does is like nothing else I've seen. If you're in a lockdown situation, peace of mind is so crucial. I encourage your school, your church, synagogue, office to add this barricade alert system to your property.